Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi, guys. Oh, I'm excited for today's episode because this topic makes so many learners nervous.
Yes, today we're talking about common English mistakes, and more importantly, easy fixes, simple corrections, no stress.
Oh, good, because when I hear the word mistake, I feel like, teacher's coming with red pen.
No red pen today, just friendly conversation. And let me say this first, mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
Yes, sometimes I say something wrong and I'm like, wait, what did I just say? So relax, okay?
Exactly. If you understand English but feel shy to speak, this episode is for you. If you overthink every sentence, this episode is for you.
And if you replay your conversation in your head at night, like, oh no, why did I say that? Yeah, this episode is definitely for you.
We've all done that. Let's start with a very common mistake. Ready?
Ready.
Mistake number 1. He go to school.
Ah, I hear this one a lot.
Yes, the small missing S. The correct sentence is, he goes to school.
It's just one little letter, but it changes everything.
Exactly. When we talk about he, she, or it in present simple, we add S or ES. He goes, she works, it rains.
But honestly, when you're speaking fast, your brain forgets that tiny S.
True. So here's the easy fix. Slow down. Just a little. Not too slow. Just enough to remember the S.
Let's practice. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. He goes to work.
He goes to work.
She likes coffee.
She likes coffee.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. Good. Simple. No big grammar explanation. Just awareness. Mistake number 2. I am agree.
Oh, yes, that one is very common.
The correct sentence is, I agree, not I am agree.
Because agree is a verb, right?
Exactly. You don't need am. Just say, I agree. For example, I agree with you. I totally agree.
And if you disagree?
You can say, I don't agree, or softer, I'm not sure I agree.
Oh, I like that. It sounds polite.
Mistake number 3. I didn't went.
Oh, I feel this one.
Yes. After didn't, we use the base form. So not went. We say, I didn't go.
Because did already shows past tense.
Exactly. So say, I didn't go. She didn't call. They didn't finish.
Listeners, try this. Yesterday, I didn't. Say it aloud. Maybe, yesterday, I didn't study. Pause and say it. Harry, can I share something personal?
Of course.
When I was learning another language, I was so afraid to speak. Not because I didn't know words, but because I was scared of small mistakes.
That's very real. Many learners feel that.
I would think, what if they laugh? What if they think I'm stupid?
But here's the truth. Most people are happy you're trying.
Yes, and honestly, confidence grows when you speak, not when you stay silent.
Let's do a real-life situation. Imagine you're at a cafe. You want coffee, but you say, I want 1 coffee.
Is that wrong?
It's not terrible. People understand you. But more natural English is, can I have a coffee? Or I'd like a coffee.
Oh, that sounds smoother.
Yes. So instead of I want, you can say, can I have? I'd like. It sounds polite. Another common mistake, I am boring.
Oh no, that changes meaning.
Yes, I am boring means you are a boring person.
Ouch.
If you feel bored, say, I am bored.
So boring describes something. Bored describes how I feel.
Exactly. This movie is boring. I am bored.
Let's try more. This class is interesting. I am interested.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about overthinking.
Oh yes, the biggest problem.
Many learners think, is it present perfect, past simple, past continuous? And then they say nothing.
Silence.
Here's a mindset tip. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Yes. If you say, yesterday I go market, people still understand.
Right. Later, you can improve to, yesterday I went to the market. But first, speak. Let's do a small speaking exercise. Imagine your friend asks, how was your day? What would you say?
Maybe it was good. I was busy at work.
Good. Listeners, say your answer aloud, not in your head, out loud. Pause, say it.
It feels strange at first, right?
Yes, but that's how confidence grows. Now let's go to shopping situation. You say, how much is this price?
Oh, double meaning.
Yes, just say, how much is this? Or, what's the price?
Simple, short.
Phone call situation. You say, my self-Irshad.
Ah, yes.
Better, this is Irshad. Or, my name is Irshad.
This is sounds very natural on phone.
Workplace mistake. I have a doubt.
Is that wrong?
In some countries it's common, but in natural English we say, I have a question, or I'm not sure about something.
Oh, that's helpful.
Now let's do vocabulary time. 10 useful words for today.
Let's go.
Hesitate. To feel unsure. I hesitate before speaking. Confident. Feeling sure about yourself. I feel confident today. Practice. Doing something again and again. I practice English daily. Improve. To get better. My English is improving. Mistake. Something wrong. Mistakes help us learn. Correct. Right. That answer is correct. Nervous. Worried or scared. I feel nervous before interviews. Natural. Normal. Easy. Speak in a natural way. Focus. Give attention. Focus on communication. Progress. Moving forward. I see progress in my speaking. Let's repeat 2 together. I feel nervous, but I am improving. I make mistakes.
But I see progress.
Harry, can we share a small story?
Sure.
Imagine learning English is like going to the gym.
Oh, I like this.
First day at the gym, you feel weak. You feel shy. You look at others and think, they're so strong.
Yes.
But if you go every day, little by little, you get stronger.
English is the same. Small daily practice builds big confidence.
Before we finish, quick reflection questions for listeners.
What mistake do you make often? Is it forgetting S? Is it past tense? Is it saying I am agree?
Be honest with yourself. Awareness is powerful.
And remember, mistakes are not enemies. Silence is the enemy.
Ooh, that's deep.
Write that down.
Okay, listeners, small challenge for you. Today, speak 3 sentences in English. Just 3.
To a friend, to yourself, in front of a mirror, but speak.
Even if it's simple, like, I am learning English. I am improving. I am not afraid.
Yes, and if you feel afraid, say it anyway. All right, we're coming to the end.
That was comforting. I feel relaxed.
Good. That's our goal. Learning English should feel friendly, not scary.
If this episode helped you, please like the video.
Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
And comment below, what common mistake do you want us to talk about next?
We read your comments.
And we're proud of you, really. If you're listening and trying, you're already brave.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep improving.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And don't forget, mistakes are okay. Silence is not.